Just wanted to share with you this new tool I've got. It is RELIFE RL-605 Pro, and it is a motherboard vise, or a fixture as they like to call it, for laptop motherboards and for chips and things like that. So I've wanted one of these for a while because yeah, it gets kind of a pain in the bum when you try to keep a motherboard from sliding all over the place when you are trying to work on it. So first impressions are it is quite heavy, and I'm guessing that's a good thing because you don't want it moving all about the place. Beautiful finish. Yeah, feels solid, feels very well made. This is a little clamp for small phone boards and things like that. Also for putting larger chips in for reballing. That has a very smooth action, feels really good. And here we've got some little parts indentations in the surface, so you can keep things in there from falling, I guess. So here we've got some ratcheting spring-loaded clamps, and those work by pushing that down, and then you can slide it up and down, and then when you release it, it locks in place. Yeah, very nice system, feels very good. Right, so let's try a motherboard. I think it'll go like that. I can put those little clips in there. Okay, so you've also got an angled piece here on the clamp, so that works for this sort of board shape. Right, feels pretty solid. Yeah, I could move that around. Yeah, I could even lift the board up with the thing attached to it. So that goes quite far. Let me get this out of the way. So yeah, something like this board from a SATA drive would fit perfectly in there. Yeah, excellent. Right, so that one might be a bit of a challenge because of the width and the shape. So I still think you could make it work. Yeah, absolutely, it would still work. I think maybe the only thing I would say about this is I wish it was a little bit more, maybe wish it was a little bit bigger, for slightly bigger boards. I mean, most of the boards nowadays are quite small for laptops, but yeah, could do with a bigger flat one like this, because I do have my Panavise for big boards, which is a very nice tool, but it doesn't go right down to the bench. At least I haven't figured out a way to do it yet. So I do use this for large boards, especially if I'm going to be taking off an HDMI port from an Xbox or a PlayStation. Those are thick boards, and then I can put my little preheater under there, and it's just the right height for that. But still, you're kind of up in the air with your hand, you know. So yeah, but going back to the RELIFE motherboard fixture, yes. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Yep, thumbs up.